Okay, folks, hi. Welcome to Yvette's Kitchen. I have an itch in my eye. I have a star in my eye. Anyway, we're going to get started. Welcome to my live chat, Yvette's Kitchen. And I am going to be doing a strawberry mint smoothie for you guys tonight. And I'm going to turn the camera around. And can you see me good? Alrighty. So, first things first. We're going to work with 2 ripe mangoes that I had chopped up over here. See my 2 ripe mangoes? I chopped them up. Okay. A handful of spinach. 2 sprigs of mint. I love mint. And some strawberries. And I have half a lemon. Well, half juice from a... No. Lemon juice from half a lemon. Is there anyone here? Oh, cool. Hi, everybody, whoever's on. I can't see. Anyway, the first thing I'm going to put is my mangoes. All right? And I'm going to tell you a little bit about mangoes. They're an antioxidant. They protect the body against cancer, like breast cancer, prostate cancer. What else? It lowers cholesterol as well. And it has fiber as well in it. And it's just yummy. It's just very yummy. I love it's very yummy. Mangoes. And the next thing I'm going to put, also, mangoes alkalines the body. You know, it's very important for the body to alkaline it. To, you know, between acid and alkaline, you want it to be more alkaline. And mangoes help to do that to the body as well. And it also improves immunity as well. So what else? Spinach. I want to add the spinach next, okay? Remember Popeye? He used to love spinach. I know, I'm an idiot. I'm a big clown. So you're going to put 2 handfuls of spinach, which is what I have here. Okay? And spinach is amazing, okay? It has 1 gram of protein. It has fiber, vitamin K and A, and folate. And it's good for you. It's very good for you. And next thing is strawberries. That's what I get for like trying to... Oh my God. Love strawberries. I don't know what's going on with strawberries. I went looking for organic strawberries today. And I know that organic food is expensive. But they wanted like $12, $13 for a thing of strawberries, which was like crazy. I don't know if there's like a shortage in strawberries or something like that, but I don't remember last time I bought strawberries last season in the spring and summer, strawberries being so damn expensive. But anyway, we're going to put our strawberries in, and it's 1 cup of strawberries. And strawberries have vitamin C, potassium, manganese, antioxidant, iodine also, if you didn't know this. And it helps to regulate and protect the brain to have proper brain function of the brain and nervous system as well. You didn't know that? I didn't know that. I just learned that. And if you did, then hey, you're way smarter than I am. And the next thing you want is 2 sprigs of mint. And I love mint. Mint is very, very good. You're going to get rid of the stems. I'm going to put this in here. Now, mint. Oh, that smells so good. It calms and soothes. It's a calming and soothing herb, okay? And it's good for digestion. It's good for indigestion. It helps relieve stomach upset. And it just tastes really good. And it's also good for bad breath. And did you know... Oops, I gotta dump this. Did you know that mint, the scent of mint, if you have like mice in your house... I live in New York City, so, you know, if you have mice in your house, the smell of mint actually mice don't like the smell of mint. So if you're having a, peppermint. If you have problems with like mice and rodents and stuff like that, mint is a good thing. Actually, the essential oil to put it around your house, and it'll keep them away. They don't like them. They don't like the scent of mint. Next thing is lemon. Like I said, you're going to use lemon juice from half of a lemon. And I did all my stuff. I prepped all my stuff before. And lemon juice is vitamin C, vitamin A, riboflavin, also zinc. And it's a good cleanser. You know, a lot of people drink the lemon water in the morning. And, you know, lemon is just great. I love lemon. And the next thing you're going to put is 2 cups of water. Water. You can hear my New York accent. I was speaking to somebody the other day. And they're like, God, Yvette, you can't deny you're from New York. Not that I would, because I love being a New Yorker. Anyway, you're going to put all these ingredients in here. And know that smoothies, you can keep them for like 2 to 3 days before they go bad in your refrigerator. And I'm going to mix this up. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to mix this up. Ooh. This is one of my favorite all-time favorite smoothies. I actually did a smoothie class and I made this one. And you can find this recipe on my website, which is YvetteLeBoy.com, and it's on there. It's called a strawberry mint smoothie. That was a lot of noise, right? Holy cannoli. Oh my God, this smells so good. Clean the counter, because if I leave a mess, my sister has a heart attack. Oh my God, this is awesome. Wow. Very good. Strawberry mint smoothie. You can find it on my website, which is YvetteLeBoy.com. I will post a link below with the recipe. And that's all I have to share tonight, folks. My name is Yvette LeBoy. I'm from YvetteLeBoy.com. You can follow me here on Facebook, Yvette LeBoy Lupus Wellness Coach. On Instagram, I'm One Holistic Diva. On Twitter, I am Holistic Gal. And on my YouTube page, I am Yvette LeBoy. Thank you for joining me tonight. See you soon. Bottoms up. Good night.